Bitcoin has hit $83,000 today, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Crypto RJ, back at it again with your daily Bitcoin update. Now guys, I might be missing the next couple of days with the daily Bitcoin updates, but I want you guys to understand that, hey, listen, I'm going to be back. Hopefully we can have some nice green candles on the daily so I can come back and I can say Bitcoin is at $90,000. If that isn't the case, then well, that's going to suck. But let's see what happens with Bitcoin at $83,000 today. So we can see it was pretty much stagnant today. It did have a bit of a dip earlier on in the day, but overall it seems to be doing just fine, right? We actually hit a price of 81, which is actually insanity. Now, with Bitcoin pretty much recovering and pretty much being stagnant on the day, we could see in the past week we're down 1.5%, in the past month up 5%, and up 18% in the past year. So still looking all right, but guys, I would love for us to get back to all-time highs and continue to push forward so we can get back into that altcoin season. But a lot of people are expecting there to be a crazy bear market or a recession when it comes to the global markets, like stocks, real estate, and stuff like that. So obviously, crypto will follow. Now, on today's TLDR, guys, we can see Bitcoin DeFi expands with Velar Perpdex on stacks, enhancing yield opportunities and decentralized trading for BTC holders. That's pretty cool. We can see South Carolina's bill proposes up to 10% state funds invested in Bitcoin to combat inflation and economic instability. Brazil considers Bitcoin integration in national reserves to enhance financial resilience and align with global crypto trends. That's actually very bullish here, guys, because I do think a lot of these countries are going to slowly but surely start buying more and more Bitcoin. Bitcoin ETFs in the US experienced a 10-day inflow streak, indicating strong institutional confidence and interest, right? Super bullish as well for Bitcoin holders. Now, we can see publicly traded Mara, which is a Marathon, is going to be selling $2 billion in stock to buy more Bitcoin, which is pretty interesting. And we're seeing a lot of people, a lot of companies starting to do this. I think, GameStop is also selling some stock to buy some Bitcoin. This seems to be a trend, and I do think a lot more companies are going to start doing this, not only in the United States of America, but also worldwide. It just makes sense. Now, we can also see El Salvador bought another Bitcoin for their strategic reserve. Bitcoin country is buying the dip. So we can see they bought literally one whole Bitcoin, which is pretty funny. They're just, literally just buying one Bitcoin. This guy's just like trading Bitcoin, I guess. So yeah, we all know the El Salvador president is very bullish on Bitcoin, so that was super cool to see as well. Next up, I thought this meme was kind of funny. I was wearing like a comic book, hashtag Bitcoin, right? We can see the guy kisses the girl, she has a Bitcoin tattoo, He also has a Bitcoin tattoo. They end up performing the indoor Olympics in a car, and 2 halvings later, they have a bunch of kids. Pretty cool. Listen, if you are a Bitcoin baddie, hit me up. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Anyways, Bitcoin was never retro. It was always ahead of its time. And we could see the pyramids, like a steamboat thing over here, like a steampunk, that type of vibe. And, guy with the top hat, right? Pretty cool. A bunch of Bitcoin, right? Cool. Now, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, you should leave a like, subscribe down below. And also, guys, if you want to go ahead and buy crypto, definitely go ahead and check out the best wallet. I'll leave a link down below. You don't have to do any sort of KYC. It's very simple to use, very easy to use. And not only that, they have an airdrop campaign right now where you could literally earn free crypto for doing nothing. So, guys, go ahead and check it out. Link is down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.